In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Google Chrome background in just a few simple steps. Whether you want a cleaner look, a more personalized browser, or you just want to upload your own image, Chrome makes it really easy to customize the way your new tab page looks. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips and step-by-step guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and go to a new tab. On Windows, you can do that by pressing Ctrl and T. On Mac, use Command and T. This will open the Chrome New Tab page, which is where your background customization starts. Once you're on the New Tab screen, look at the bottom right corner. You'll see the Customize Chrome button, usually shown with a pencil icon. Click that button to open the customization menu. After you click it, a side panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel is where Chrome keeps all of its appearance settings, including themes, colors, and background options. Now, if you want a simple and clean look, scroll through the available options and select one of the Minimalist two-tone color palettes. These are great if you want your browser frame and background to look neat, modern, and easy on the eyes. Just click the style you like, and Chrome will apply it instantly. But if you want something more personal, and you want to use your own image as the Chrome background, then look for the Change Theme option in that same panel. Click on Change Theme, and then choose Upload an Image. This will let you pick a photo from your computer. Next, browse your files, select the image you want to use, and then click Open. Chrome will upload the image and set it as your new background. Depending on the image, you may also notice the browser adjusts the theme colors a little bit to match it. If you don't like how it looks, you can always go back into Customize Chrome and switch to a different background, theme, or color palette at any time. That's the great thing about Chrome customization. You can change it whenever you want, until it feels just right. So, to quickly recap, open a new tab, click Customize Chrome, choose a color palette or upload your own image through Change Theme, and then open the file to apply it. That's all it takes to change your Google Chrome background. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.